Welcome to the Health Shrine Herbal series. I'm Master Law. Today's herb is Loquat leaf, Pai. In traditional Chinese medicine, Loquat leaf belongs to the metal element and connects with the lungs. It has a cool nature, making it excellent for soothing the lungs, stopping coughs, and clearing phlegm. Modern research shows Loquat leaf contains ursolic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This explains why it calms irritated airways and supports healthy breathing. If you've ever tried Loquat tea, share your experience. Leave a comment, ask me your health questions, and don't forget to visit our Health Shrine store for herbal formulas designed for your well-being.